Pro Collagen Cream from the Boxyluxe. I'm going to be using all the brushes from the Boxyluxe as well. This one and this one, these two. This one, this one, this one. That is Wine and Dine. And then I'm going to blend it out, blend out those harsh lines with transition, the color transition right here. Transition. Same brush. I'm going to take this cranberry splash right here and put that all over my lid. You don't have to use a ton of this color at this point. This color is absolutely beautiful on its own. My glitter from BH Cosmetics. I've had this for a while, but my BH Cosmetics glitter. This is in the color Deep Red. I'm going to use some of my lash glue, whatever. So I'm gonna put a teeny like that. Oh, not the other eye. I don't work that fast. I've used this glue before as a base, so don't worry, your eyes are not going to be stuck forever. Ooh, I like this mascara. Oh, I bet if I use the primer, it would bring out my real lashes. But like I said, not today. All right, now it's time for eyebrows. I'm going to use my Sigma powder in dark brow powder. Sigma. I mixed the two together, this one and this one. See, and with me, I usually don't draw an outline. I mean, I have, you know, I've seen people that draw the outline and fill it in. Me, I just go with the natural shape of my brow. My brows aren't perfect, but whatever, I just go along the lines of it. I don't do all that extraness. I mean, I have and I can, but I just follow whatever hairs I have. That's what I do. And this eyebrow always comes out better. You know, like they always say, your eyebrows are sisters, not twins. And that's the truth, because this eyebrow always comes out so good. Or no, I won't say that. I'll say one of them always comes out better than the other. That's what I'll say. Bring it down to a point. You can tell I'm not a professional, but I'm only doing myself, so whatever works to make me look good. Elf hydration drops. Love these drops because, like, again, my skin is very dry, so I have to try to keep it as moist as possible for everything to my face to not get all dry and cakey during the day. So my nose area is bad and my cheek area are bad. So and yes, I know I use a lot, but I have to. My skin is so freaking dry. So dry. I'm going to be using Milk Makeup, the Blur Stick. My Fashion Fair stick. I like very full coverage makeup. Again, because of my skin being uneven, so I put a lot of makeup on, but not like a cake face. You know, there's some girls that be wearing cake. I don't do that, but I do put a bit on, but not like, you know. So this is how I look. Pro Precision Face Brush. I'm gonna use this one to blend this out. Matter of fact, I'm gonna spray it first though with my Clinique moisture spray. Once my channel gets up and going, I will definitely do a Q&A and a video to tell more about myself and where I came from. But until then, I will just do tutorials and hauls and whatever else I feel like doing. I will be using my Smashbox 24-hour concealer, 24-hour, Studio Skin concealer in medium dark. I know this is generally a foundation brush, but I tend to find that for me, because I got lines under my eyes and I'm older and my lines show a lot more, I tend to just press it in with this. For me, this is better for me. I mean, I use the beauty blender sometimes too, but Kat Von D Brightening Powder, and this color is the brightening, and it's in peach. So that's what I do next. I put the powder on, and I put that on, looks like that. I'll put that on with the Beauty Blender also. I should use my no, whatever. I'm gonna use this one. It's just me. And then you just let that bake on for a minute. I mean, not a minute, but you just want to pack that on for a minute. I mean, I keep saying a minute, but you get it. We're gonna do blush now. My favorite blush is the Tarte Natural Beauty. Yep. All right, and lastly, I'm going to take this Becca highlights in Opal. This is a sample. I never did buy the full. I've had this for a while because I got so many other highlighters, but this came as something free in one of my points at Sephora as well. Brow bone. Do this face. I don't like to use too much highlight because again I have textured skin, and you know when you put highlight on it kind of shows up the bumps, you know, I mean the moles that I have. So I don't like to do, I mean I like to have a nice little glow, but you know sometimes I just, you know, because I got texture, see it, it'll bring out those but again I don't mind my stuff you know, showing through, but sometimes with highlight it's a little different. Damn. Face will not freaking budge with this stuff on. It's gonna last all day. You cannot have makeup without setting spray, finishing spray, setting spray, whatever you want to call it. I don't know, whatever. This is the Laurlalee Los Angeles Kissmas liquid lipstick. It's a beautiful color, but I wasn't really feeling it with my look tonight, so I did insert some pictures which show that I did change my lipstick. Thank you so much for watching.